my monitor. I bought this drill to replace the hammer drill, which is longer and slightly heavier. As you can see, the size comparison. Flashlight function also works great in low light situations. For example, this is the lowest setting, and this is the medium. There's also a 20-minute setting here, like you can use it as a flashlight. It works extremely well. Unbelievable. Low, medium, low, medium, high, 20 minutes. 112 has less power than this one, of course. Let's compare. Using this power meter, let's take a look. Wow, this is only doing 41 watts. That's only maybe half of the 115. Let's try 115. Plug in 115 and swap out the battery. This is 5 amp. Okay, this is 76 max. And of course, we want to stick to 115 for faster charging. 4 amps for 115. 112 is 2 amps. Once again, let's try 112. Right? So the included charger really is no match for the battery. When I purchased the hammer drill, it came with the 115 charger, which is much better actually. Both feel pretty light, but this one is more compact. It's about 7 inches here. Less than 7 inches, maybe 6 3/4 inch. 796. 7.5. 7.5 inches. It's pretty much the same height. I have a belt clip here with the magnets attached, so I can store drill bits. As on my bit storage, I have it on my impact driver as well. That's the same. I also got this atomic drill. Do not buy this one. DCD708 totally lacks the power. This is on gear 2. Same 2 amp battery. This is also on gear 2, as you can hear the difference. 791. Again, this is more compact. This is much more powerful than the atomic. This is the longest, shortest. Without the hammer action, it is much compact, and I would prefer this one. It's a metal chuck, and this atomic stuff is all plastic. Don't buy this. I never drill into concrete, or I don't even do metal drilling that much. So this would be ideal for any homeowner, DIYer. You know, this is totally sufficient. Made in USA. It even has this tag here, but this one doesn't. This one does not have it. Drill a 3/4 inch hole and see what happens. First up, DCD791. By the way, it's on the second gear. No problem, fast and easy. First gear. Significantly slower. Alright, let's try the atomic. Atomic, the same 2 amp battery. 2 amp battery. This is the one I'm saying do not buy. This is a DCD708. Yeah, it got through, but I think it just takes more effort. And what about 796? It's basically the same model as this one, but with the hammer capability. Drilling. All right, start over again. No problem. The hammer, which does make much sense here on the wood, but let's try it anyway. Yeah, I'm not sure if it makes a difference. Actually, let's try the atomic one more time. Oh, the bit got very hot. Atomic, second gear. Not too bad. I would say it's about 25% slower. Hammer drill, the regular compact drill. Same power, more compact. I picked this one. I love it. By the way, I am filming on this DIY arm. For mounting, used to be a mounting arm for the microphone. And now I modified it to be used with my Sony mirrorless camera. And works great. This guy is still charging. Two bar. 42.8 watts.